Hey loser, give me your lunch money.
But I need it for food. I'm hungry.
Oh, well I can give you this knuckle sandwich if you want.
Here.
The next day.
This song is dedicated to Mr. Bully.
What?
Roses are red, violets are blue. Bullies like you belong in the zoo. But don't be afraid, I'll be there too. Not in the cage, but laughing at you.
Oh, great heavens! Emotional damage!